Hi guys, this is James. Now, today I want to show you my favorite tool, a virtual tool actually, that I use almost every day. And this is my go-to tool when I do any type of recording and even when I do any type of streaming or even meetings with Zoom. So I've got a quick demo coming up of this tool known as Krisp and a review of Krisp in a moment. Before that, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up Krisp through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon and select all notifications so that all future tips, tricks, and techniques on how to boost your business, you will receive them. So what you see here is the Krisp website, and from the name itself, you would have gathered that this is about making sure that any of your audios that you are recording or that you are streaming comes across clear, crisp, without any background noises. That's basically what Krisp does. When I picked up Krisp about 3 or 4 years ago, it was it had only one feature, and that was to cut all background noises that your microphone may pick up when you are doing any type of recording. Now, you know that when you create any kind of video, it is not the images or the B rolls that are going to capture your audience's attention. It is the audio that will make or break your video, not so much the images. So if you have splendid, beautiful images of the ocean or of wildlife, but then the audio is crappy, your audience will exit the video, and therefore you are not going to get any interactions from your audience or even get them to take any action because they would be exiting within a few seconds or less than a minute. So what you can hear from me now is that I am using my Blue Yeti microphone. So the beauty of using Krisp is that you don't need to get any expensive active noise cancellation devices or microphones. Now, the Blue Yeti, I bought this way back in 2015. It doesn't have noise cancellation at all. So for years, I was recording it before I got hold of Krisp. And I was lucky that I got in on Krisp through an AppSumo deal, which doesn't exist anymore. I think it's AppSumo or maybe it's Tech Social. I'm not too sure. One of those deals. So I paid a one-time fee and I love this tool to death. Now, as you can hear, this is coming across extremely clear. I've got my fan running, but you do not hear the whoosh of the fan. And I live in a condo. And I'm surrounded by neighbors who at times can go crazy when they move their furniture. I can hear the sound, but whenever I use Krisp, that sound is never picked up. Even if somebody is drilling or knocking on a wall or on the floor or on the ceiling, it doesn't get picked up by Krisp at all. So this, as you can see here, this is the Krisp logo or the favicon or the icon that is on my toolbar. And as you can see, the green light or the tick mark indicating that it is active and canceling noise. So when I click on this, you can see what I mean. This is the audio that I'm using. My microphone, which is the Blue Yeti, listed as USB advanced audio device. And of course, I'm not using any speaker at all. So as you can see, the volume is going up and down, indicating that it is capturing the audio. Now, what I would like to do now is that I'm going to shut off the noise, or I'm going to remove the noise cancellation. And you can probably pick up the sound of my fan going on. So I'm going to be silent now after I switched off the noise cancellation on Krisp. So Blue Yeti is now picking up all the sounds in my room and probably even the fan. So I'm just going to remain silent so that you can listen. Okay, so now let's say that you have not heard that. I am going to clap and you will see that you can pick up the noise of the clap. All right. And now I'm going to switch Krisp back on, as you can see, and I'm going to clap again, and you will notice that the sound is not picked up at all by Krisp. You could have even seen that on the microphone that was not picked up because the noise level did not shoot up at all. I'm going to demo something else. Let me use my mobile and play some audio. Let me choose a music video. Okay, let's play the Billboard 100. All right, as you can see, it is picking up all the sounds. Now I'm going to activate the noise cancellation. Now I'm close to the microphone, so let me just remove this some distance. So only when I put it close, we probably can pick up any music. Otherwise, it's not there at all. So that's how powerful Krisp is. And it doesn't just work with professional devices, USB device that I have. So this is the Blue Yeti. By the way, I'm not too sure if you can see that. Let me just move my camera. So that's my Blue Yeti rigged up. Now, let me just show you what else, how it works with other devices. So let me get rid of this and fix my GSP 500 gamer headset. Now, this one comes with active noise cancellation. Let me hook this up and I'll give you a demo on this one. Okay, so I have switched off the noise cancellation on Krisp, and this is an active noise cancellation device, the GSP 500 by Sennheiser. As you probably would notice now that you can pick up the sound of my fan, and let me just clap my hands and you will see how it picks up the clap sound. Alright, let me just play that YouTube music again. You will realize that it's picking it up, right? So let me pause that and let me switch on the noise cancellation and you can hear the difference. So now when I speak, it is far clearer than previously when I didn't use Krisp, and you probably can't hear the fan anymore. And let me just play this music again. So only when I come closer. So you got to be that close in order for the mic to pick up and for Krisp to capture the sound. So that is with the USB Sennheiser GSP 500. Let me just try another device, which is my AirPods. All right, guys, so this is with my AirPods. As you can hear, that's a lot of background noise being picked up, although this doesn't have noise cancellation. Now, let me just try clapping and you can feel how it sounds like, or you can pick up that sound. Now, if you listen carefully, you probably can get the sound of. You probably can't hear the fan anymore, right? And now let me just clap. You realize that it didn't pick up at all, right? So that's the power of Krisp, ladies and gentlemen. So grab Krisp from the link below and discover bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up Krisp through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And I hope you enjoy Krisp and make high quality videos that your viewers are going to appreciate and stick at least halfway all through the end. That's it from me. Bye bye. Thank you.